Wait, did you actually remove it, like, or did it just come off naturally?
It came off because you looked at me.
How dare you? Why are you so rude?
Why is your face rude enough to take off my lipstick? I don't understand. You looked at me. I disintegrated.
I scared it all away.
Yeah, acting like you don't know, that you haven't known me for how long in your life.
I only known you for like 10 minutes.
What do you mean 10 minutes? Time that 10 minutes by like 1,000,000, because how much long you've known me. That's how much long.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Am I bothered? This it's like
It
it's like a weight.
She was like, oh shit, it rose out of me. Yeah, I thought maybe watching the live will give shine.
Like
what?
maybe
Give shine. It will give some shine, right? That's what it would do.
Maybe I watch the live and give the shine.
Shine. Yup. From when? Excuse my nose itching like this.
From when?
From when the drop cup. What?
From when the drop cup.
From when the drop cup.
When the drop cup.
When the drop
cup.
What?
Leave it over here.
What? When the drop cup.
Leave it over here.
Over there the drop cup. What? Smith is over there. What? Shots glass. Where? What? There. Over there. What? Top the plate. What? Sorry. I'm sorry.
I get stop, like you
It's a different kind of.
I couldn't stop the yawn.
Oh, sorry. I choked. I went too far.
Okay. What?
Yeah, man. Oh.
Here it is.
Oh, there it is.